Hi, Kuya Will.
Ano ba to? Take 2?
Kuya Will, pabayaan mo na ako. Hindi ko na-vlog kanina.
You guys, watch it on my vlog to see what really happened. Peke lang to. This is scripted.
Yes, nandiyan na po yung bag ko agad.
Yeah, how was your bag here before you? Ano ba yan?
This line right here, this line that Haley does. Watch this. I love this how she inserted this. Right?
Yes. Kay Ate Hailey yan, no? Napanood ko yan. Hi, Pudra.
Hello, Benita. It's great you're back to Manila again. Good job on your 30K. You got numbers. Your head. You are a real vlogger. You're only 70,000 away from getting silver.
Oh my God.
You know what? You know what? I'm saying go get 50. Get 50 before the end of March.
Sana, I hope so.
Okay, nandito na yung ride natin. Tara.
Tara na. Tara na. Bye-bye, Pudra. I will go back, Sunday.
Make good choices.
Bye po, Pudra.
I have 26 subscribers. I don't have a channel. I made a comment on your video, and next thing I know, like my email was overwhelmed with YouTube comments about something, and I went and read them, and I didn't understand them because they were Tagalog.
Bye-bye, Pudra. The overster na.
Alright, have fun meeting
Your comment is on top of my video in YouTube. You said come back to Manila.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Ha? No.
Oh my God! Oh my
I brought that, but you do not,
Oh my God! It's a burger! And it's black, all black. Ano ba yan?
Black burger.
Yes!
It's for you and Pudra.
Where's it from?
Wow! That's
From my date.
Oh, okay.
Yes, good. And then you pass it on to me? You pay it forward. Sige, tara.
Tara na.
Oh my God. Buwag ko.
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa bahay ni Ate Aling Sosyal. Ate Ali, say hi. Ito yung mga... Sino kapatid mo dito, ate? Ate Ali, sino kapatid mo? Ay? Yes, mga kasama siya sa bahay. Hi! Kapatid ni Ate Ali. Oh my God. Grabe, dalawa na kami. Ate Ali. Kasama din ako. I miss you. Sasama din siya sa pagbablog.
Sama din ako sa inyo.
Yes!
Oh my God!
Patingin!
Kala ko may tao!
Wow! Oh my God! Pwede maging model dito. Pahilera naman ako dyan, bes.
Ang sexy talaga. Tingnan mo.
Nababalo pa rin naman, tara.
Dami! Oh! Ang dami niyang awards night, bes! Oh my God! Kuya Will, did you see that? Ang social pala niya, bes. Oh, may pa-Philippines siya. Oh, may pa-Philippines.
Oh my
Ate Ali, you're so big time!
Ganon?
Ipa-vlog natin yan. Oh my God. Kuya Will, hindi mo expect, best.
We're so shocked.
Ang social, best.
See, I'll carry your bag. Ako ang bahala.
Wow, ang sweet naman ni Kuya Will.
Para sa vlog.
Ay, ako sa'yo.
Ako ang bahala. I got it, girl. Okay,
Thank you, Kuya Will. Thank you po. Hawak ni Kuya Will ang aking bag. So sweet naman ni Kuya Will. Oh my God. Hi. Sino man dito na?
Nakay ko, ano sa pangkaso nila.
Wait lang, yung mga ano.
Mamaya na sila. Dito muna tayo.
Oh my God, Cagayan. Yes!
Yes! Oh my God!
Mag-start na tayo.
Hala! Wait! Maglalasing tayo, Kuya Will. Ikaw.
Only once a month, yes. Tonight's the night. Okay.
Oh my God. Ate Ali, say hi. Magiging vlogger na din po siya.
Oo, tuturuan po nila ako. Kaya supportahan nyo kami.
Yes, supportahan.
Siguro delikado to. Do you remember the last time we got drunk, Benina?
Yeah. Anong dala mo, Kuya Will? Patingin nga niya.
Pero sa'yo.
Thank you.
Benina, di ba?
Anong sabi mo? You never showed,
Never show up empty-handed.
Oh, galing.
Or else you'll never get invited.
Oh, ako naman.
You'll never get invited.
What did you bring?
May nadala po ako.
Ano?
Hi. Wait na. May dala. Social din ang dala ko. Social din ang dala ko, mga best. Suman!
Yes!
Suman! At panutsa. Ate Ali. Sorry, galing pa yung
Thank
matanda.
Pampanga to.
Galing pa yung Batangas.
I like this through your vlog.
Magkakakita nila yan.
Sige, cellphone mo na iwan.
Younger sister ko, si Julia.
Hi! Hi, Bon! Wow, kamukha po pala si Ate Ali. Isa yung smile niya, Bes. Hi pa! Tita.
Hi.
Alam mo, feeling ko kailangan mo mag-vlog. Parang, Kuya Will, kailangan ka dito.
Oh, Becca. Wait, I'm coming. What floor? We're on the 5th floor now.
Wait lang. Ito talaga, kailangan mo mag-vlog, Ate Ali. Kasi kailangan mo ng room tours.
Room to. Oh, this is like
And-
cribs. BBB cribs.
Yes, and makeup
Oh.
tutorial. Oh my God! Ang laki! Shit!
Oh my god, look at this bed.
Wait lang, parang buong bahay na namin yung bedroom ni Ate Ali.
This is where the Salamanca happens. Oh no, that's an English
Banyo
term.
ka talaga.
Oh, look at.
Oh my God!
Baliw na kayo to?
Saan? Ano ba yan? Ano na naman yan? Wow, may pa-dressing room si Mayor! May dressing room siya, Bes.
Astig.
Bes! Bes! Ano
Outfit's
yan?
ready.
Oh my God! May makeup tutorial talaga siya. Kailangan mo
Make a makeup
mag-vlog.
tutorial.
Papalag ka na.
Oh nga.
Papalag
This is like a
Kailangan
perfect
mo.
vlog setup. Oh
Oh
my.
my God!
May lighting, but look.
Ang gwapo mo dyan, Kuya Will, sa lighting na yan. Oh.
Talaga, but in real life, I'm not.
Gusto mong mangisda, Bes? You're so fishy.
Mangisda. Oh, this is so nice. Ooh.
Oh my God! Lahat ng reaction ko, ate, oh my God. Bakit?
Ek mo.
Grabe.
Paek-ek na siya.
Grabe siya, oh. Ate, paano mo ito nagawa?
Marami.
Kailangan
Oo,
mo.
may business ako. Saka halo-halo
Kailangan
na.
ng business.
Yeah, oo naman.
Racket.
Yes, super. And the dedication. Work,
Yes,
work, work.
kailangan.
Kaya nga, ito
So parang kami pa rin yung una, kahit sila yung mga excited, mas nauna pa kami dumating. Sila yung chat ng chat, makulit sa chat, pero una pa kami dumating ni Kuya Will. Anong totoo, Bes? Nantasan si Jessie, nasan si Ate Aura? Nasaan na sila? Tagal naman nila. Bes, ang laki ng bahay. Kailangan natin ng room tour ni Ate Ali. Bibigyan ko kayo ng room tour, promise. Oh my God, yung boyfriend ni Ate Aura nandito! Yung boyfriend ni Ate Aura! Yung boyfriend ni Ate Aura! Nasaan? Nasaan ang boyfriend mo?
Nagpo-park ba?
Bes, hindi ako sa'yo excited. Magkasama
Oh
lang
my
tayo
God.
kanina. Bes, nasaan yung boyfriend ni Ate Aura? Hoy! Bes, nasaan yung boyfriend ni Ate Aura? Oh my God, ang